I'm about to change this plain fabric into luxurious fabric. Let's do it. I'm using some authentic African print fabric, and you can tell by the selvage, it says guaranteed block prints. And this fabric is already beautiful, but I'm just going to add some luxuriousness to it. I'm going to make a stencil by cutting it on my Glowforge. I found a pattern that I liked, and so I'm cutting it out in my material on my Glowforge laser. My stencil is cut. Now to move all these little pieces and get to work. I'm using a gel medium. It's a super heavy gloss, and this is Artist Loft from Michaels. It's their store brand. I have a piece of plastic that I'm using as a spatula. I have my foil and my parchment paper. I'm laying my stencil on my fabric. I'm going to tape it to keep it from moving. And then I'm going to apply my gel medium, try to cover it well without it being too thick. Okay, so now I lift from the corner, and we have a good sharp print. And that's what we want. So we'll do this again on this middle part, and then the end I'm going to leave it plain. Well, I'm not going to put the stencil on it. This is a temporary paper stencil that I've made, so I don't need to rinse it. But if it was a regular stencil, you would need to rinse it off. I'm applying gel medium to this other part. I'm not going to use the stencil, but I'm still going to put some foil on it. Now I'm going to let my gel dry. 45 minutes to an hour should do it. Okay, so now the gel is dry. It's time to apply the foil. I normally use a mink machine to heat my foil, but I want to show you that you can also use an iron. So I'm going to lay my foil on my material, and then I'm going to put my parchment paper on top of it and use my iron at the hottest setting to heat set my foil. I'm going to peek under the edge to see if my foil applied. It's okay, but I think it could be a little bit better, so I'm going to apply a little more heat. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. All right, we're looking pretty good. Looking good. Now you can use this foil over and over again until all the gold is left. So don't throw away your foil. This still has a lot of life and use left. At the top left corner, it looks like I could use a little more gold up there, so I'm going to apply the heat again just on that little spot. That's better, much better. All right, this is what we have. You are ready to create whatever you want to with this new fabric. You can make some earrings, you can make a necklace. There's all kinds of possibilities now for your totally new design. In another video, I used this fabric to make a pair of hoop earrings, and I'm going to this is the video here. So I'm going to leave this video next. All right, good people, this is Sherry. You know the drill. Please like, share, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Let me know if you would do this. Do you like the heat set foil, or have you used foil? All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.